a look at that sounder, guys. Oh, that's a fish. Yep, that's a fish.
Yeah, hold him.
Different species. Woo! Righto, buddy. That's exactly what we just dropped in, you guys. Absolute.
See you later.
G'day guys, thanks for tuning in for another episode. Have a look at the backdrop behind me. Absolutely stunning day. Just at Whitehaven Beach, as you probably guessed. Have a look at this backdrop. This water is absolutely pristine. I've got the boys just up the front. They're just munching at some grain waves. I'll flip the camera around. How are you boys? Having fun?
Yeah.
Nice. Enjoy your grain waves. I'm just here at Whitehaven Beach. I've dropped my good mates. They're visiting over from Europe at the moment and they've never seen Hills Inlet, so they're doing that short sort of 25-minute hike up to the lookout, and I'm just parked here on spot lock with the boys with the Minn Kota, and yeah, just chilling at the moment, just soaking in the sunshine. How good are our winters? But yeah, this episode's going to be an awesome one. Basically, I'm gonna give you my first impressions of the Yamaha 350 V6 and what I think of it. I'll give you my honest thoughts of it later. I'm gonna do a bit of a beach catch and cook shortly, but you guys are gonna play a bit of catch up. I'm gonna roll a bit of footage from yesterday where we headed out towards the reef with my dad and Maj Dora, and we got into some nice fish. Also managed to shoot a couple of nice crays as well diving. So you guys play a bit of catch up and we'll catch you guys back here for the catch and cook. About 7:15 in the morning, just rocked up to the first spot. A lot of current on the run out tide at the moment. Just going to cast these stick baits, these dirty tackle sinking ones, see if we can catch some fish. Ooh, got something. Small shark mackerel. Yeah, it's all right. First hit of the day, we'll take that. Just a little pup, but oh, thanks bro. Got it. Thanks mate. Watch your toes, bail them open. Yep. Beauty. Thanks Ledge. There you go guys, not a bad fish. First fish for the morning. Just a little a little shark mackerel. Got him. I don't know what he is. Spanish, mate. Grab that gaff, bro.
Yep.
Ooh, ooh.
Couple there.
You all good?
Yep.
I might just pass you this in a sec.
Give us a rod and I'll give you.
You're right.
Something following it, eh?
Yep.
Yeah. You right?
He's still a bit green. Thanks, bro. Really needed that. Okay.
Still under.
Yep. Just grab that rod back in the middle. He's actually stronger than I thought, mate.
Yep. didn't want to borrow it.
No. Yes, come on. Play nice, buddy. Phew. Okay, Dave. I'll just pass this to you in a sec.
Yep.
Oh. Here we go. Yep. This is you, mate.
Yep.
Thanks, bro.
Nice.
Okay, wind. Keep it out. That's it. Right out. You're doing well, Dave. Yep. Nice work. Just hold him right out.
Yep.
Doing well. Yep. Come back this way.
Yep.
Hold him right out. Okay, lift his head up. Yep, spin him back this way. Okay, bail arm open, champion.
Yep.
It's actually a bit bigger than I thought, bro.
Yeah, man.
Thanks,
Well done.
Dave.
Awesome.
You're a champion, bro.
Great work.
Thanks for the teamwork, bro. Oh.
Yeah.
Woo!
Beautiful.
Yeah, bro. There's a nice start to the morning, bro.
Well done, bro.
Thank you so much,
Unreal.
Dave.
No, good work.
Next one's yours, mate.
He's decent.
Whew. After a couple of drifts, we finally found the fusey schools. And there's not a heap of current because it took quite a while to get out. He was a bit lumpy on the eastern side of these reefs. Have a look at the chompers on him. These are the new colours from Dirty Tackle on the sinking stickies. The black one with those tiger stripes. Absolute cracking fish. We're going to try and get Dave onto one now. And we're going to do a bit more casting and then we're going to go do some jigging later on.
Good to put one of those fusies on his live bait. Let him go join his pack.
If he was isolated, you get him.
Yeah.
If you put him on a balloon,
Yeah.
you'd have a better chance.
Yeah.
The lure fishing's more fun.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, you got him.
Quicker retrieve, bro. He's a mackerel. He's a shark mackerel. You keep going, mate.
Mackerel?
I think so, yeah. You keep going. There's a shark on him. Just,
You right getting him in?
I reckon we get that little gap out on that side, bro. You got him?
Yep.
Yep, I'll switch with you. Thanks, bro.
Yep, got it.
Thanks, bro. You're a legend. You keep casting, bro. Thank you. No, I didn't want to get in your way.
No, you're right.
Woo! That's a big sharky. It's a beautiful shark mackerel. Probably one of the biggest sharkies I've ever caught, but on this new lure, just testing it out this morning from Dirty Tackle. Super stoked with it. It's been an absolutely glorious morning. Got a bit of a low tide change coming up now. Not much current, so we might go jigging soon, and then might hit the top water again or sinking, casting stick baits a little bit later. Out of words. Well guys, this is why we come fishing. Have a look at this stunning weather. Dave and I, we've just had this beautiful whale. I'm not sure exactly what type it is, but he's just cruising around, circling our boat. Doesn't seem to be too phased. The water's so clear. I'm not sure if the GoPro is gonna pick it all up, but he's just over here. Absolute stunning fish, stunning creature. There you go guys, really nice bunch of fish just stacked up here as we're going over it slowly. Righto buddy, let's go. See if we can get in on the way down. Oh, straight on, buddy.
Yeah.
Yes. Woo. Oh, I've just pulled the hooks. Oh, hit it on the way down. That just screamed out. Yes. I don't know what he is. He's got a few rattles about him.
Yep.
First time testing these 40 gram micro jigs from Dirty Tackle. Stunning fish. He's made it absolutely. You're working it off the bottom?
Yeah. Yeah. I think it was fish.
Oh, that's a fish.
Whoa.
Yep, that's a fish. Wow. I was just looking at you. Wow. Play nice. Play nice. Woo. This could be a red or something. He's got good head shakes on him. Absolutely cracking conditions, guys. Mid-morning, out with a good mate Dave. It's pretty much dead low tide now. It's going to start running in about half an hour. We're just fishing this tide change, exploring new ground. I'm out of puff because I'm out of shape. Those trade winds have been blowing so hard over the last couple of months. Hopefully this is quality. Oh, this is the first red emperor on one of these jigs. Woohoo!
Yes!
Yes!
He's a bull, the bull.
Oh yeah!
Right on, bro.
That is so cool,
Well
Dave. Thanks, bro.
Yeah.
There we go, guys. The 40 gram Dirty Tackle micro jig. Absolute quality red emperor. Nice deep colours. You can see he's a fish that lives on the shelf because he's got quite dark tinges on him. Just give you guys a quick look at the sounder. Have a look at that. That's exactly what we just dropped into, guys. 44 meters, just 20 minutes off the shelf, just on a little plateau that we're driving over at speed, and that is the result. So stoked right now, out with a good mate. Yoo-hoo! Dave's gonna hook up shortly. Come on, bro.
Come on.
I'm cheering for you, mate.
Thanks, mate.
I am absolutely speechless right now. You know, I got a nice Spanish early morning with Dave. We've just been driving around just near the shelf here. Absolutely glorious conditions around me, as you can see. Just testing out these 40 gram micro jigs from Dirty Tackle and this beautiful red emperor. I've never fished this spot, so in about 40 meters, 44 meters, very shallow for me. I normally get most of my reds in 50 to 70 meters, but super stoked. You can see these beautiful dark tinges on him. Gonna get this guy on ice, and let's see if we can get Dave onto a monster. The 40 gram Dirty Tackle micro jigs going down. Oh, just missed him. Ooh, came and nailed it on the drop. Not big. He's a little coral cod, I think. Going down again. So I'm just doing a controlled drift with the engine, just clicking in and out of reverse, just so we can stay vertically straight up on our lines. We're using very light jigs, 40 grams, so you just want to be vertically straight up and down as best as you can. Hopefully this guy gets munched on the way down. Oh, something's coming, munched it on the way down. Just kill that engine for me.
Yep.
Thanks, bro. He's a nice fish. This could be another red. It's got your typical head lunges on it.
Yep.
Oh, please. Be a red. Oh, don't get sharped. Can't really go too hard on him because sure. I don't know how well I've hooked him.
Yeah, yeah.
Just using this Shimano Anthem. It's about a 7-foot rod on the 8000 twin power here. So just letting the rod do all the work. You can see that nice bend in the rod. Beautiful lunges on him. Oh wow, it's another big absolute red. Thumping red, mate. I'm gonna need the net for this one, bro. Yep. Oh my gosh. Please, Dave. Thank you, mate. This is an absolute thumper. Wait, yep. Here we go. Yep. Don't worry about all that. It's all good. Here we go, mate. Cheers, Ledge. Oh, thank you, Dave. Oh my gosh, Dave.
Wow.
Yoo-hoo! Thank you, huge. Dave. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is insane, bro. Keep going. You keep going. Oh my gosh. On the micro, bro. Oh my gosh. That is a thumper, bro. There we go, folks. 2 from 2 drifts on this particular new spot just near the shelf. Once again, this fish has crunched this 40-gram micro jig from Dirty Tackle. You can definitely say they work. Super stoked. Yeah, I'm absolutely speechless right now. I don't need to catch another fish for the rest of the day. I really want to see Dave hook up. So fingers crossed next drift, you guys see Dave in the green singlet hooked up. Woohoo! Yoo-hoo! Got it. Oh, go Dave. 2 jigs and he's on. Go Dave. You got this, mate. Do you need the net?
I don't think so.
Don't think so. Monster. Oh, he's a big tea leaf. Yeah, you got a massive tea leaf. Nice work, man. You alright with it?
Yeah, do you want to grab the rod and I'll just...
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
I'll open your bail arm. You just flick him in. Nice work, mate. Ooh, just keep his head in that corner. Nice work, Dave.
Thanks, bro.
High five, mate.
Thanks, mate.
Phew. There you go. We missed it again. No, it was a good bite. Well, bit of a subtle bite. Dead weight now, might be a trout. Might have foul hooked him. Oh, it's a purple cod. That's all right. That's cool. Different species. Oh. There we go, got a beautiful purple cod, second drift. Mai's hooked up at the moment, buckled over there. I'm going to give him a hand in a sec. He's struggling, but I'll quickly get the hooks off this guy. Give him a hand, but awesome getting some variety species this morning. You got this, buddy?
Oh, still.
Whoa. What is he? There we go, guys. Mai has led the charge. Wow. We've missed a couple, but he's come and nailed it first. Reef fish on the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. That's pretty cool, mate.
My first fish, amazing.
Bigger than the ones back in Europe, eh?
Oh, this would be massive, eh?
Awesome, mate. Well, let's pop him back in the water. Just throw him straight back in. Off he goes. Look at that. He knows exactly where home is. Well done, mate. High five. Hey, good job. So I want to take a minute to show you guys exactly what we're fishing. It's mid-morning now. The tide's sort of pushed in about 2 hours from the low. And I'll flip the screen around in a second, but basically what we're doing is we're sounding around on a contour line, and we're always taking a different line every time we do a redrift, and that way we're not fishing the exact same spot. And the way you guys can look after and manage your spots is, you know, every 3 to 6 months, if you fish a particular area, just give it a break for 3 to 6 months and then go back to that particular area and then fish it, because then you're going to have that spot for life and you're not overfishing and putting too much pressure on it. And I just flip the screen around now, and you can see here we've just been sounding around, taking our time, and you can see there's a really nice little isolated rock just on its own here, and that little green fuzz, that's bait, fish, reds, nannies, all that sort of stuff, trout, all stacked up on the bottom, just hugging that rock really tight. So we're going to drop some jigs back down, a couple of meatheads, and see if we can hook a fish. There we go. one's a proper one. We've had such bad luck, guys. Hoping I can get this guy up. He's a solid one. Oh. You guys hooked up? Good job, guys. We got a triple. We've just been working new spots the whole way up, guys. Just moving, just 1 or 2 quick drops, just sounding this contour line at about 50 meters. It's been so windy the last couple of months with trade winds, so we haven't had many opportunities coming out. I don't want to call it too early, but hopefully this is the right colors. Yes! Woo! Yes! These are the jewels of the reef! Woo! Yes! Monster red emperor, guys! Oh, yes!
Up, up, up.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, hold him, hold him.
I cannot.
You hold him.
You got this, you got this.
Up, now down. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Go, Dora!
I think this is not big though.
Yes.
I mean, I'm still struggling.
You got it.
A few spins.
You got
A
it.
few
You got
spins.
it. There we go.
Ever,
We've got
ever.
some colour, buddy.
Yeah.
You got some colour.
Look at.
Oh, she's got the same one as you.
Wow.
Big Spangled Emperor. Okay, walk back.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah, that's it. Now bail arm open. There we go.
Wow.
I'm just gonna get the hooks out and then it's safe to hold. You alright? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. It's a battle.
There we go, guys. Double hook up with Dora. She's just got her first Spangled Emperor, first fish on the reef. And Maj earlier got one of these, but bigger than that one. But that's still a quality fish, so well done. Yeah, super stoked for you. Awesome. All right, well, we're going to get these guys on ice and do another drift. Okay, it's not bad, buddy. Go, Maj. Good job, buddy. That's it. Lift and wine. Not bad. We'll have some colour soon. What do we got? Oh, Dad, you got a monster trout, mate. Just lift him straight in, Dad. Wonder what Maj's got. Could it be a red emperor, buddy? Here we go. We got some colour, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh, it is a red emperor, but it... Oh, you got 2, buddy.
Oh my. Oh my.
Yeah, open up your bail arm. Oh, are you serious right now, buddy? Hey?
Oh my
That is
God.
pretty special, bro.
No
Nice
way.
work. Unbelievable, eh? It's 2 red emperor. Have a look at that sounder, guys. It is loaded right now. You want to release your fish, or are you happy for me to do it?
You can do it.
Okay. Righto, drop him back in the drink. Off he goes. Maj's first time on the Great Barrier Reef fishing, and look at that. 4th or 5th drift, and he's nailed a beautiful red emperor right there. It's a mid-sized one, but absolute cracking fish. And then Dad's got this beautiful coral trout. It's a common coral trout, and we've brain spiked both these fish, and they're both bright orange.
Wow.
Down for me, take a sip of paradise. Here below the lights, all the people looking up. Overhead a billion fires reflecting in my eyes.
Have a look at the water. Absolutely stunning. Dave and I are just poking into a blue hole now. It's about 2:30, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Just gonna have a quick spear, see if we can find a cray or a couple of trout or bluey, something like that, before we punch it back in. Fingers crossed. Top here, big bluey.
hard.
There we go, guys. Beautiful bluey on the long spear gun. 1200mm Rob Allen. I haven't speared a bluey in a long time. Have a look at his chompers. Thanks, Dave. You're a gentleman, mate. You. Woo-hoo. Just missed a big cray. There's another one in there. Yeah. I missed the first big cray that we saw probably about 45 minutes ago. And then I've just spotted this one under this big piece of brain coral just over here. And there's actually another one just sitting in front of it. So I'll see if I can get the other one as well. But super stoked. Looks like, mate, we're gonna have garlic butter at Whitehaven tomorrow, buddy. Thanks, Dora. Cheers.
Great, cheers.
Okay. Crate number 2, guys. Beautiful specimen. Just under this beautiful piece of brain coral over there. Shot the first one and managed to nail this guy who's tucked right back in. So, ew, super stoked. Monster trout I missed. Here, Dad, grab this. Righto, it's time to fillet up the coral trout from yesterday. Just gonna knock these fillets off. So I just like to make a small incision just there, as you would have seen. And I'll run the knife sort of along the backbone. Good thing about coral trout is that the flesh is super clean. There's one beautiful fillet. Let's flip around, do the other side. Just run that knife along the edge. It's two beautiful fillets. Big shout out to Razor Gang for giving us these knives. Just going to skin this now. Just like that. Just leave that there. Keep the skin.
Get fresh water and fresh. And take showers.
Right, we'll chop these up into bite-sized pieces.
Bite-sized? Like you're cooking, Dad.
Thanks, buddy.
You're not cooking. He's chopping. Yeah, but that's still cooking. Well, that is. It is. Maya! Well, Matthew. Maybe if you could.
So that's the coral trout ready to go.
Well,
Okay, boys, talk to me.
okay, so we're going to see if we can do a good dive. Do you want to
Righto,
start
I'll
first?
be the judge.
Sure. Wait till you try my delicious strawberry and leaf made of real soup dessert over there. 3, 2, 1, see you later.
That's a safe entry, Jacob. Well done.
Woohoo!
Righto, Maddie, your turn, bud. Not bad, Maddie. Not bad at all. Doing, bud.
I got sand soup.
Oh, really?
Why do you have sand on top of your hat?
Yeah, you got a lot of it. Yeah, Matthew. You set him up, Maddie. So you just twist the carapace off, and that gets rid of the head. Super sharp, so just being careful. There we go. Are they? Hello! Just in time. Oh, maybe put the butter on the ice. I forgot to put the butter on the ice. Thanks. Salt and pepper.
Yeah. Waiting you to drop something.
Yeah.
What's up?
Hey boys, there's a baby So I always like to pre-season the panko crumbs. That way it's already inside the fish when you cook it, or on top of the fish. Gets infused. Throw some Italian herbs in. Give a bit of flavour. Bit of cracked pepper.
Oh, smells good.
I've already washed my hands, by the way. I use soap, so just in case you're worried. Righto, so we'll just mix all this up quickly. Probably needs a bit more Italian herbs. So I'll just dip them in the egg wash quickly. Just give them a quick coat. There we go. Is it alright?
Box is terrible.
Oh, sorry.
No, my box.
Oh.
I mean the box we got.
So they look pretty good, eh?
Yeah, they do.
There we go.
Oh, yes.
There's the first plate. This is coral trout, the one my dad caught.
Yeah.
$90 a kilo they sell in the fish shops. Crazy. Absolutely crazy.
Set up here a Michelin star restaurant.
On the water restaurant, hey? Yeah. How good. A little bit of garlic butter is always good.
That was cool.
There we go. Mix all that in together. Just plonk a few pieces in. What sort of heat have you got it on? Medium.
Medium, man.
Yeah. Is this one on?
No.
No. It's gonna need a bit more. Bit more heat.
Thanks.
It's always tricky when you're not cooking in a kitchen, you know? Yeah. Outdoor kitchen. Go. Crayfish with a bit of paprika. Salt. You've got to really salt these things. Bit of pepper. Fresh cray. And a bit of paprika. Righto, this is ready, my friend.
Oh.
This will do. Not perfect, but it will do. Righto, flip this around. The old flipperoo. Righto, we're going to do the taste test.
Exactly. Cheers.
The verdict, we're going to be truthful.
Oh yeah.
Needs a
it's
bit
good.
of salt and pepper.
Oh no, it's good. I like it. Oh, it's perfect.
That's cool. There we go. Let's put a couple of fish pieces on here. Oops. Do you guys eat tomato? Not really.
I have.
I skipped on it this
You
time.
skipped on it. And the lettuce. All right, boys. It's lunchtime. Come on. Green stuff's good for you. All right, boys. Up you come. There we go. Here's one, boys. See, I used to work at Subway.
Yeah, I was just checking this magnificent technique of following this route.
Righto, boys. Taste test. Come on. Hold these. Come on, Jakey. Maddie's straight into it. Matty, what do you think?
Good.
You love food. There we go. Lunch with a view. Time for me to do a taste test. I'll give you guys my honest opinion. Might need a little bit of salt, I'm thinking. So. Pretty good blend of everything. might need just a little bit of salt maybe. Eight and a half out of 10 is not bad.
Just without the maps, so we have this. Cheers.
You didn't find any?
A little bit chewy.
Wow.
Different texture, right?
Now this I love. This kind of flavor I really love specifically. Wow.
Try with a bit of mayo.
Sure.
Not bad.
Ah, that's good.
Yeah, on point.
We've got little snub-nosed dart, little sharks just around us. Got some sort of little colourful aquarium fish down here. Got no idea what they are. Sitting under the boat. Got no complaints. Absolute stunning day. I just want to take a minute to walk you guys through the new engine. So I've got a Yamaha 350 horsepower. Supposed to get a hold of this last year, but unfortunately due to stock, sort of been taken up by the commercial guys. Some of the Reco guys sort of missed out, but finally got my hands on one, and the whole reason for repowering was just to get a bit more fuel economy out of the boat because it's quite heavy. As most of you'll know, American fiberglass boats are really heavy, and so just needed a bit more oomph on acceleration as well as better cruising speeds. And so I just quickly run you guys through it now. What a stunning location, by the way. So big shout out to ReefSide Marine for installing the engine. So we'll start off with the prop. Big shout out to Oz Propellers. If you guys all around the country looking for props and prop advice, they've been super helpful. Big shout out to Matt Holland, who has been super helpful in terms of organizing this particular prop for me. So I've actually gone down in pitch size. I used to have a 17 pitch propeller, a Yamaha saltwater series, and now I'm running a 16 by 15 prop from Oz Propellers. I'll just give you guys a quick look at it now. So that's the prop there. Might be a little tricky with shadows and stuff to see, but it's been absolutely amazing. So it's got a bit of a wider blade, and that sort of hugs the water really tight and gives you that really good mid-range fuel economy, as well as in terms of accelerating in rough conditions when you're on and off the throttle. I found that I used to sort of fall off the plane a bit easier with the other 17 pitch prop, and now with this particular one, even if I've got 4 people on board or 5 people on board, in rougher conditions, it seems to hold that plane a little bit better, or a lot better I should say, and give me that fuel economy for mid-range. So super stoked with it so far. Might still play around with it, you know, different props and trying out different ones just to get that, to find that sweet spot, but so far it's been a drastic improvement from what I had. My first impressions of the Yami 350, I love it. It's, first of all, looks absolutely stunning. It's a cracking engine, and in terms of its power, it's gone up 50 horses, so I have noticed a big difference already in terms of, you know, extra acceleration power when I'm putting the throttle down. And obviously it's still early days. I've only just on about 20 hours, so I've sort of just been breaking the engine in, but first impressions of it so far, super stoked with it. And in terms of cruising speeds, it's pretty quiet and not too different from the existing 300 that I have, but I believe it's got a different slight variations to the engine block, and I'm not very technical, so I'm not going to rattle off all the technicalities and features of it, but it is still a V6. It's the lightest in its class, and it's rated at 350 horses, so I'm pretty stoked with it.